Good day. I'll be talking about philosophy, concept of philosophy, branches of philosophy, goals of philosophy. I'll also be talking about the definition of memory, the types of memory, and how to improve the memory. Firstly, what is psychology? Psychology is the study of human behavior and mental process. The person who study human behavior and mental process is called a psychologist. I'll move to the concept of psychology. The word psychology is derived from two Greek words. Psyche means mind or soul, while logo means study, knowledge, and understanding. The union between psyche and logo gave birth to psychology. I move to the branches of psychology. There are 10 branches of psychology, but I'll be listing 5 of them. 1. The educational psychology. This deals with the education system of behavior of a person. Cognitive psychology. This deals with the way a person reasons psychologically. 3. Child psychology. This deals with the way a child behaves or reasons psychologically. Community psychology. This deals with the way a community behaves. Individual psychology. This deals with the way an individual behaves psychologically. And move to the goals of psychology. We have descriptive psychology. It enables one to describe a behavior of another person. This means descriptive psychology enables someone to describe a behavior of another person. 2. Explanation psychology enables one to explain how an individual behaves the way he or she is behaving. That is to say, this branch of psychology enables someone to explain the behavior of another person and why the person is behaving like that. 3. Control behavior psychology enables one to control the behavior of another person. That is to say, this psychology enables one to control the behavior of another person. We move to memory. What is memory? Memory is the ability to encode, retrieve, to store and retrieve information needed. Encoding. Encoding refers to the means of gathering sensory information into the environment. Retrieve. It enables one to recall, reproduce what he or she has earlier stored in the memory. Move to the types of memory. The following are the different types of memory. 1. We have the sensory or the immediate memory. We have the short-term or the intermediate memory. We have the permanent or long-term memory. What is sensory memory? Sensory memory is also known as immediate memory. This type of memory enables one to remember something easily. The information stored in a short-term memory is always very brief. In sensory memory, old information are erased as new information are received. Short-term memory, which is also known as intermediate memory. Information stored in the short-term memory also brief but do not quickly erase like that of the sensory memory. We have the permanent memory, which is also known as the long-term memory. Information stored there can be stored for many years in the long-term memory, and it can be stored for a very long time. It cannot be erased. Information stored in a permanent memory cannot be easily erased. It can be stored for a long period of